Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So what's up guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing pretty well. Today in this video I'd like to bring you some facts about an ingredient that's mostly used in authentic Sri Lankan cuisine, especially when it comes to making fish ambultial and polos sambula. This is a must within the fusion of different ingredients. It is nothing but Garcinia. As you can see in my background, there is a well-grown Garcinia tree. This plant is known by many different names such as Garcinia, Cambodia. Here in Sri Lanka, this is known as Goraka. This is mostly grown in South Asian countries like India and Sri Lanka. This can also be seen in some of the Western countries and African countries as well. I'll pick a young one like this. And ripe ones are yellow. Let's pick a ripe one. Oh, to be more careful. There is also an edible part inside that we can enjoy freshly. This core is similar to that of mangosteen in shape but not with the taste. Large squirrels are fond of eating this core. This is really worth trying. In terms of Garcinia processing, it takes about 4 to 5 days for us to get them dried in the sun. Now Garcinia is available in the market in different forms. The paste is the most popular one. When we talk about health benefits, it is believed that consuming Garcinia has a lot of health benefits such as weight loss, boosting immune system, reducing cholesterol level and so on. So if you still haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. You know that's how my channel grows. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.